Hello everyone, welcome to this month's cruelty-free beauty box unboxing. This is by the company Petit Vour. This is actually their November box for this year. Sorry I'm a little bit late. There was a delay with our post office. Canada Post had a strike, so my apologies for the lateness of this box. Here is how the box looks. You get a little pamphlet with details about all the products in it. The first product that comes in this box, and this is the full-size product, is the Donore, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Lip and Cheek Pod. So it's marketed as long-wearing and super pigmented. It's valued at $22. When I put it on my cheeks, in my opinion, the color that I received, which is the Tiger Melon, it is a soft pink coral type of color. It was not super pigmented on my skin tone. I actually had to apply quite a bit of product for it to show up on my cheeks. As a lip gloss, however, I absolutely love this lip color. This is the most natural colored lip gloss I have ever tried. I've never had such a natural lip color. So if you're a minimalist type of makeup wearer, you want a very natural look, I think that you're going to like this brand of lip gloss. They also have 5 other different colors. Some ingredients worth noting in this product are sunflower seed oil, moisturizing shea butter, cinnamon bark, rosemary, golden seal root extract, grapefruit seed extract. The next product in this beauty box is the Metta Moisturizing All Natural Hand Balm. This hand balm is made with shea butter, olive oil, lavender, and calendula. When I open it up, it has a very, very deep golden yellow color. I'm assuming that's from the calendula that's in this product, which is very, very soothing for your hands, and it smells like lavender. To me, it kind of almost has a handcrafted or handmade type of look to it. It looks like something that you would make as a DIY lotion at home, which is not a bad thing. So you know for sure that you're getting really high quality, non-toxic, all natural ingredients. When I put it on my hands, I found that it took a few minutes for the product to soak in, and it did feel oily, which again, I don't see as a negative because you know that this product is made of real ingredients and it's using real oils. The next product that came in this box, which I was super excited about, is the Evolvh Styling Lotion. This is marketed as a 5-in-1 botanical formula that can create volume, hold style, defrizz, add shine, as well as define curls. The ingredients worth noting are a phyto blend of a concentrate of 20 herbs in an aqueous base. That is literally what it said on the ingredient page on their website. As you can see, the consistency is a very lightweight type of leave-in conditioner. Also, speaking of leave-in conditioners, Evolvh says that you can also use this product as a leave-in conditioner. So I tried it out on my hair, and that was the only product I put in my hair before blow drying it, and as you can see, my hair turned out super shiny, super soft, and it had very little frizz and flyaways. So I thought this product worked really well, and I'm really excited to find a cruelty-free all-natural hair product. And the last product in this beauty box, which is my absolute favorite for this month, is the My Daughter Fragrances perfume sample in the scent Joyful. This scent features jasmine, orange blossom, bergamot, and spearmint, as well as grapefruit. So it's a floral scent with a bit of a citrus hint to it, as well as some mint. And I am so in love with this smell. I am so obsessed with this smell. It's one of my most favoriteest scents I've ever come across, no joke. Okay guys, that is the Petit Vour beauty box for the month of November. If you enjoy these type of videos, please subscribe. I will have lots of unboxings to come, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!